Hey everybody, so we got an unboxing to do or unbagging to do. We're going to check out the tool from Olsa Tools that they sent me to check out. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. So this was sent to me by Olsa Tools. They sent it to me to check out and review. Alright. Bag is completely empty. So like I was saying, they did send it to me to check out. They're out of the SAE set of slim wrenches, but they did let me know that they were able to send me the metric set for now. I did not pay for this set. It was sent to me for me to check out and review for you guys. Give you guys my opinion of them. We're gonna open this plastic wrap real quick. Nice little small package. It is nice. This is part number 1253. Batch ID is 2012. What it says on the box. This is the metric. Super slim, low profile design. I'll more than likely put these up against other brands down the road. I do have I'm sorry. I do have been thinking about purchasing the Capri sets of slim wrenches to compare against these guys. It's just been one of those days, I think. Haven't been feeling very good lately. But get these open. I have been thinking about checking out the slim wrenches from Capri Tools or Capri Tools, however you want to pronounce it. If you listen to Capri Tools' voicemail, when you call them, they pronounce it Capri. But so 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19, no skips. And these guys are very, very thin. Move the light a little for you guys. They are super thin. For an example, here's the 10. And let me grab a caliper. Move the light first. Didn't want to knock the light over. So here, I have a caliper real quick. These are 2.4 2.42 millimeters, and that is for the 10 and the 11. The 10 millimeter is 2.33 millimeters. These are very, very, very small. The 18 and 19 millimeter, because they do go up in thickness. So the 19 millimeter is 4.41 millimeters thick. 18 4.47 millimeters. So if we just run down these real quick, 17 millimeter, 4.37, 16 millimeter, 4.331, 4.30. Okay, 15 and 14, so the 15 millimeter, 3.32, 14 millimeter, 3.30, 13 and the 12, so the 13, 3.4344, 12 millimeter, 3.4445. Did the 10 and 11, so the 9 and 8, 9 millimeter wrench side is 2.20 millimeters. The 8 is 2.19 millimeters. And last is the 7 and 6, so the 7 is 1.96 millimeters, and the 6 is 1.93 millimeters. These are very, very slim wrenches. The organizer is not bad. I don't normally use organizers like this. They take up a lot of space, but they are very, very nice. It is a very nice organizer, especially for the cost. This set, I believe, is 67 bucks, something like that. Let me see. Wrenches. It is $67 for this set, which is not too bad. When you open this fully up, it says 7087, which is a little odd. It says 6787. That might be the standard set that they don't have. Yeah, the standard set is $67. The metric set is $70, which is not bad. It is a nice set. And turn this light off and turn this guy off. So as an idea of how these wrenches can be useful. Now these are not going to be wrenches you're going to use to torque something or break something loose with extreme force of any kind. But these wrenches will come in handy for like battery terminals in very hard to reach tight spaces. Another thing that these will be handy for is this is a custom mirror. I bought this mirror at Home Depot a long time ago. Or not Home Depot, at AutoZone. My original mirror broke. This mirror actually doesn't mount to the window in 2004runners. But, let's see if I can get you guys close. There's this notch right here for you to tighten this. So you can hold this and then tighten the nut. This wrench will come in handy to tighten this nut as well as hold this bracket from moving. Because this notch right here, it's only wide enough to fit one of these slim wrenches. Just to show you guys. So these wrenches will come in quite handy working on mirrors. they'll come in handy working on mirrors, batteries, terminals, even hard to reach bolts underneath interiors. These will also come in handy for stuff like this, where you need the room. You know, this is a 10 millimeter, so it's not going to fit, but it will come in handy for like body panel bolts, interior bolts, stuff like that. I just wanted to show you guys because I knew that that mirror was a 8 millimeter for that bracket. So that's a plus in my opinion, is that they will come in handy for lots of really hard to reach spots, you know. And I didn't have any slim wrenches before, and what I did before, I had, you know, even these slim wrenches, because these are the only ones I have, is that I would just take really skinny pliers, smallest pliers I could find, and I would use those. Where are they at? These guys right here. These are little crescent pliers, and these are still even slightly big for that section. Like, you can see the difference between these. So like, if I grab this guy right here and measure this again, so the 8 is what I just demonstrated. The 8 is 2.22 millimeters. Let me measure that again. No, 2.13 millimeters, where these little crescents are 6.17. And I have another pair, these little Knipex, or Knipex, however you guys want to pronounce them. I call them Knipex. These are a little bit smaller than the crescents, but not by much. These are 6.19, where the crescents are, something happened, it just came off of 0 point there. 6.22, and these are 6.21. So these are, the Knipex are a little bit smaller, but that's about it. These slim wrenches will definitely come in handy for hard to reach spaces, especially in sections like battery terminals, where the batteries are actually shoved under the fender well, or not the fender well, but the quarter panel. When they're sitting in the engine bay, sometimes they'll shove like the positive or the negative underneath the lip that bolts down to the frame and the body. They'll tuck the batteries underneath those, and sometimes it's hard to get to. So these little wrenches will also come in handy for that. But it's just a quick video. I wanted to show you guys the wrenches that showed up. Thank you to Mark for sending them for me to review. And I will be doing some demonstration videos on these on the next video. Appreciate you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And bottom of the description below, I do have a link for Olsa tools. If you guys want to go check them out, maybe you guys want to check out these wrenches, I'll put a link down below as well, that you guys can click on, so you guys can go check out these wrenches. But the link I have at the very top from Olsa Tools, that will get you 10% off your order at olsatools.com. So if you guys want to pick these up, or the SAEs, you can. They're out of stock on the SAEs at the moment. I'm talking to Olsa Tools to see if they have any idea when the SAEs are going to come back in stock. I don't use SAE very often, but I always buy both metric and standard, because there's always going to be an instance where I'm going to need the standard because I'm a mechanic. So it's just easier to buy both. These again were sent to me by Olsa Tools for me to check out. I was not charged for these, but I do want to let you guys know down the road how well they hold up, if I have any issues with them. The chrome is actually very nice, other than the smudging, the fingerprint smudging that I put on them. The chrome is actually very nice, very beautifully made. They're nicely balanced, all of them. They're very nicely balanced wrenches, right in the section of the Olsa Tools emblem. They balance very well. Same with that one. The Olsa Tools emblem, right in the center. They balance. They're very well balanced. That's another tip I want to give you guys. All in all, the look and the feel, they feel nice in the hands. I know that's an odd thing to say, but you know, my first impressions is they're nice. They're very nice wrenches. They will come in very handy. They're all very balanced. All of them balanced in the center of the Olsa Tool emblem. So I do appreciate you guys watching. If you guys want to check these out and you want to use that link that I provide, you know, it gets you 10% off. If you don't need any of these, it's no big deal. If you don't need the link, or you don't want to use the link, it's up to you guys. Do want to let you know that if you do use the Olsa Tools link, it does provide you 10%, but it also does kick me back 10% off my next purchase from Olsa Tools. So it is very nice. If you guys do use it, it saves me money as well as saves you money. I do appreciate your guys' time. Like always, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to see more things like this, smush the bell notification icon, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!